dear Your Holiness. First of all, my name is Long Nguyen. I am very happy to be here because I've been following Buddhism for the last 10 years, but for the first time I'm being here. Okay, I think I'm going to go very straightforward to the questions. Is that my professions is doing healthcare management. It means I'm providing the health solutions for treatment for many patients. But yesterday, I came to the monastery in Tashizhuang, and I saw the relics from many yogis, and I saw different color in yogis. It's representing 7 level to reach the enlightenment. So it come to me with the questions that if I'm doing healthcare management, and same with other people in the rooms, they may do teaching, they may also as a lawyer, they're helping a lot of spiritual treatment to other people. Would that mean we have a better start in our profession compared to others? Or being yogis, doing treatment, doing retreat all the time is a better start to get enlightenment? Thank you.
최지의 라월 아니 자주선배 되는네 아니 최근 인부디 샴페인 샴을 러시아 샴을 판도지하다디 최기 쏘차되어리 저선 지난주 안되지 지금 매망 그 트레이딩이네 양식 밑교부터 잘이야 지금 벤저고 돈에 지금 판도지하로 지금 애니 간단한서 당내라 개시시대 레타고베 그도를 롭종 전에 그 미시 전도 대버지다 미시 기부 영향이 조 삼루톤에 털르지기 시디고야 된대기 다 미리야 가서를 보게 롭수 전에 두 샤디 다 패시 카이라요기 샨디 주야 약시들이샤 밀럽 럽지점니 상물로 대원도보다 동에 민도 샤다리 다 동네가 자어디 심 뭐지부디기 다 내용이요리 다디 심 기부 영향을 샴뱅으로 야고 장보이나 심 기부 영향이지 된데게 럽저 최캐라나리 최캐마라나리 강다 나란즈 미지소 나라 대대요리 그래서 미지소 나라 지기지리야 가다 땡이 대대버지기 나서 기회 니무드네 아메 참지 털어 애니도 선조 땡대요리 간다 기회 니무드네 멋이보도 나란저 미지소야 거라 샹을 땡대도가 저상가 샹을 쩌로디 애니 파 가다다 의원의 소리야 샴페인 제아다리 백해 치슈사드샤 다디 삼다나 아니 야고리
His Holiness, we have a second question from our group.
Dear Holiness, my wish you a long life. My name is Me. My question is, when we use our loving and warm heart to help the people, but accidentally hurt others, what should we do? Thank you so much.
그래서 단데 레 첼 마사과 살라 마체바사 된데 남이 먹고도가 애니 거로 삼는 날이야 근데 매일 지금 너버지야로 지금 지삼아 매나야 소수 지단 거 돈에 먼저 비차니 디데이나 레 체버레데 이네 데 삼루 돈에 디 그룹 삼버지 매번 인도전에 첼로 마사바사데 저기요리 야 sakla ma sheba samlu na la jikbe chig mile pe na be kya rjine jilya samlu shivu kho la le ngoma kya me be cheni sa da zo samlu re do da samlu changju gu sem da shanben ge di lo de yao samlu dang we yin na ene da ngara chashana你就是苦的可多了呀，土光的这样些，甚至呢，都喜欢的的，但是钱了嘛少是谁，少些不说是的，因为的少些啊个，对不没多啊，可路不的这个穷不了，刚才等着穷啥的时候，让结不见呢，刚着上，哎呢，门着长，等着几个月的，前三个个。钱了马少啥的，然后农村的人的，一年可多少多少个，可看到样这个熟的就不见的，等着是的，就是，
Good morning, Master. I'm from Vietnam. My name is Nhung. I have a question. I have a autism boy. It's my son. So I want to ask you how to be a good parent and how I can support him in the best way. Thank you.
可是，
那边
看，
我让了不知道，不的那边跟的有多了，我顶这钱，俺别人就我让俺们也不去不的，家长到庄钱了，俺们也不是看的是差多去。
马上不去也是，
那边跟有的有多了，
哎呢，
这样阶段呢，我的那你们都有啥嘞？俺们也不看的是小的是，不的大多钱当钱。
当然了，开车。谢。他看到米里亚开起去的，在我山子里下。这个谢谢原的，可是全部也不以内，这个这位原的面呢，哎呢，告诉我样咱们讲了，被谢谢原的那边人是查呀这个，他讲到上不上过车啥的，媳妇就开全部的。
Yes, the Holiness Dalai Lama. I am a Vietnamese American coming from California.
可是
Many
越南America 这个 California 里，
many Vietnamese people follow Buddhism, and they love to see you, as you can see today, as well as many other places that you went to, especially in the U.S.
看
And of course, there are, yes, many Vietnamese from Vietnam would love to see you, and but they haven't got a chance to see you there yet. Do you have a plan to visit Vietnam in the near future? Thank you.
在越南里呀，讲做谈谈蒙古啥样的，车上个，这个让苦口的说呢，这个里头呢什么呢，俺听个多，当看到俺的，上届被缺失的，做旅记，给我主要。我给我主要是呢，要的的呢，做的三路团呢，这个的话，这的印度，搞的 semkham ribudi keshab shari. Any semgi, so sim the simjun saro, any nyomolo shashana, sanyu, nyenyu, shenju shisaro, the rigi nyumong namdang ribur mongu shigdua, the semg jodan ribu mongu shigdua. Desert chedi, as a lobson shadi keshabo resha. Semkham ribudi. Cheni, any semkham ribu koro, shivina. Semgi shidi sayde kanzisi yongu duwa. Semgi shidi yongyagi tunbe jen karzi duwa. Semgi shidi zhugengi gajin mitunbe jen karzi duwa. Digi di pa ngunzin yebe toane, ene shiga semgi shidi yongya miyu zo di semgi shidi zhuya chigi. Chazan nyomo shedya digi kanda semgi shidi zhugu duwa. 자상가 말한지 지금 semkin 조단데 이도 심부주나 semkom 리버디 페지 낭베 중나로로 페지 계슈르샤 네 출루 삼월로 규십치기 아니 지된 거법은 되게 게치 지된 거법은 면되게 게치 샤네 다 드라마를 먹고도가 다 산제베 최디 지된 거 보면 면되버리 소소스 심 뒤모두 토네 아니 랑게 뒤도 용야지 숨기요리 서들이 인도산에 심 머시워 지겐디 다 녀모 지기도와 다디도 사 상 니지신도 상단에 심 머시워 지겐게 로컨데스 용구도와 베나지 차도 제야 서로 전심 제야 서로 공주 제야 서로 나제 제야 서로 저기 심르도 머시고 시기도와 어디서 재매버체 참지 그나 펜버주야가 로데듯이 여베이나 섬을 시딜레 인구도와 서다 드즈제 로 조단디리 被1450现过之下的今没把那个熊拿了来等的也会要的但因呢14的哪人者开为王不知来现在是不的是这个的生活如果继续是下上海的农州看完的生活如果了同样用的这个我说也给这个用的蒙古用的这上我说生日不没修这个牛毛的肯定是用过吧哎打到啥的肯定是用过吧哦就是这的价格开为熊拿了三不休息多啊实际上就是这的老上学的开什么人这就是去上边台湾上没用吧老上学呢什么修这个的牛毛这个要的牛毛肯定是用过多啊ene rang jinjin de chi yore da de je de pa do simju chene sem rubdu moshi wa chegen ge gen de de shiwache en de ba nyong da na ene sem be rubdu shiwache gi yong do wa ene sem shidi yebe ta ne ene ji salam gi joda de 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 ba lo chang ne ru gi na ene 그 림베 야르견 줘야지 딴데 연구지.
Good morning, Your Holiness. My name is Bùi Đức Đại. I'm from Vietnam. I'm so grateful to be here today to listen to your teaching. So here's my question. What is the practice of to live in the present moment and not worry about the future? Thank you.
마음에 삼로터 지 커센데도 근데 말랑베 토네 다데 내가블라 직셈 샤단도 칸데스 공칸데스 야고리나스 셈제 마치 제 마음에 가리 중국이네 셈제 마치 다데 셈 당신 네바 제
마음바
셈제 네바
다데 별은 인중스전에 제 다들 렌진지 샤완쟁기 풍부 겨워 지글라네 예친절을 에네 배 시디 지정 수야매 봐 된저 성도 안 저대야 거다 domrungu samdana di ngana zu chue tundu nya ko dewa tundu ni ki yorba dungye tundu ni ni che chig me ba santa dos ya sim tru gen di eni mo ji bo so yin du zane sim tru gen di nyuru ta ya chi eni shan la ze samba di wana chane ki rang ji bo ro bo ji bo 차도 되고 폭을 펴버지기 연구여바 인도산에 아니 셴뱅글로로 최도 년에 상단에 배주전에 셴뱅글로디야 배 숙지지 제실 동야지 단 냠리샤 배 개시모도가 아니 제 저게 매배서로 집에 양도 가서 상당한 상월로 냥냥냠스 전 신부인이 다디 남주 저기 지나 말와다 말아서데 상제베다 최버 차대요리 차상가 최르도 남지기 싫으게 보기도 스자바체니 탐버도 네버 차다 푸도 상단은 좌지 개시모도가 서점전대기 추분 저지시 동선이 승벌이 간다 성금 리고디 시우지기 들으셔다 개체부 저도 상제베 면음제버 지고기 리아마리스 지 삼륜 조단 거리 뭐디데 봐 점전되기 14호 송요리 디드도 삼단에 애니 원나 전에기 심 주겐디 가르치기도 디파 용을단 애니 sim 주겐의 파 용르시베 그도로 랑신 그 심을 시딜려야지 근데 그 심기 시디 주겐의 견디의 파세야다 시디 용야기 상부 견디의 당도라네 다도 선에 드야리샤 나르샤샤나 맞전주가 차버리 시 간다 지금 생기 시디디 패질 러그메베 소르스도와 거지 아저씨 갱에 들이샤를 거둘러 갱에 초를 샤네 당당 나한테 전주가 차대요리 그러다 시드산에 꼭 간다 지기 갱에 중보르디 갱에 되게 제 최주벌로 판야다 셴베 몽구지 체토야지 차윤도 갱에 초를 샤라 차대도가 저서 얻어 삼동조르샤
Hi, Your Holiness. My name is Anh. I'm from Vietnam. First, I have to say I'm not a Buddhism, and I don't plan to be here. But my faith take me to be here in front of you today. So I'm so glad. I-
Quran number means
So I have a lot of Buddhism friends, and they talk a lot about the next life. They talk a lot about you have to practice a lot for this life, so you can move up a level about on the next life. My question is just simple. Can I just be a normal human and take your philosophy in and practice in my life, and still have a happy life and I just don't want to think about the next life. I just want to ask if I focus on this life only, is this enough?
가서
no the Quran 자베 가서 미지 겨워 제메 삼 미스 땅 먹어 근데 겨워 들어가라는 야구치 뭐야가 겨울 지 걸어도 되도 냠내 집에 to는 야구치 제베 있는 뒤에 나서 겨워 제메
over 7 billion marbe me 7 billion human being on this planet. Now all want happy life. And also, you see, our own, the land, the earth, should be more green ecology. So we human beings who live on this planet, they themselves, you see, live happily, not harming other. All 7 billion human beings on this planet, you see, all with sense of brotherhood, sisterhood. All human beings, actually, we are brothers, sisters. And we have to live together. When we think humanity on this planet, there is no basis to say our enemy, our friend, no basis. At the beginning, we born, no idea of enemy, friend. All, you see, we have to live side by side. So, eventually, it's really worthwhile. Oneness of 7 billion human beings. At the meantime, the environment more green. Then we are not talking about next life, but simply this very life. We all have a right to live happily. So, usually I call secular ethics without a religion. Just day-to-day life, we live happily. Secular ethics, whether believer or non-believer, we should have sense of brotherhood, sisterhood, and we have to live together. Through that way, we can achieve real world peace. No longer military forces or weapons. We all live sense of brotherhood, sisterhood. That I think we can achieve. The weapons, military forces, with too much emphasis, our nation, their nation. If we think more oneness of 7 billion human beings, then it's not relevant, my nation, their nation. No, we all same human being, same human brothers, sisters. We have to live together. So, no need military forces and weapons. Through that way, we can really think genuinely peaceful world. So these are secular ethics. Okay.
Last question.
Mani jamon chi risong gombi jamon chi mani
Chua chik la.
risong gombi long
Chua taman.
Yes.
Hi, I'm from Thailand. I would like to ask you that you still sleep at 7 p.m. and wake up at 9 a.m. and how to be healthy. Just give me some easy couple steps how to be healthy in life. Thank you.
가
미지 수부 탕구진 간데스 대고 유는 시걸로 나가나
수구 탕구에
수부 탕구다 니
가
심코야 가지 심구야
가래
여러분 이제 심코야
주스 가수 심그레스.
어 always 8 hours 8 hours sound sleep. So these very related peace of mind. Much anxiety or anger really disturb your sleep. Thinking, bodhicitta, well-being of all sentient being, and particularly sentient being on this planet. Automatically, you get sound sleep. When your mind become sleep with peaceful, then dreams also very peaceful. So everything depends on peace of mind. That's very important. In daytime thinking, practice altruism, and some extent shunyata, the dreams also automatically more peaceful. So, yes. Question.
Dear His Holiness, I'm Hannah, I'm from Vietnam. Today I'm so lucky to be here and I feel so thankful to Alina. She gave us the big opportunity to come here. And today I bring one Hungarian friend. So she Western. Before she didn't have any religion. She didn't have any like mindset about spiritual things and Buddhism. Especially today, in your teaching, they translate by Vietnamese, not English. So I'm sure my friend, she couldn't understand. So I just want to ask you, give some advice for my friend how she can start to practice Buddhism, or some advice from you for Western start knowing about Buddhism. Plus one more thing, my daughter is 14 years old. She wanted to paint a painting, Potala, and you in front of Potala, but I lost in the airport. So my daughter is very upset now, but I just want like to say like my daughter really want to offer you one painting from herself.
가르사.
모란 총무지에서 치기치 이 남바들 게 말에 최를 대바 유명한 게 메스 이내 다 지금은 가서 단다 쌤 상부치 당다 주고 랍지 여름식이 되게 결정해야 이거들 모란 부모들이 단다 이제 고바시 때 리무시 지랑 있어요 이 남한테 라고 아직 쌤 소다 가요
Now, most important thing, we should think entire human being, or furthermore, entire sentient being on this planet, we all same. We all right to achieve happy life. So, when you think entire sentient being really want happy life, then no basis to harm other. You really deliberately thinking well-being of all sentient beings on this planet, then impossible to harm other. Then whether believe religion or not, we should be a more warm-hearted person on this planet. You get maximum benefit yourself, and all your neighbors also, you see, get benefit. I think a small example, Dalai Lama practice altruism. So wherever I go, I always smile. No picture, Dalai Lama's that kind of face. So you see, practice altruism, and on the basis we all same human being. We all want happy life. We all have a right be happy, happy people. So this very life carry warm-hearted feeling. Whether that person believe next life or not, the very basis of warm-heartedness, this very life automatically affect very positive next life. Okay. So, religion, so-called religion in temple with certain dress, but in motivation, a little bit jealousy, a little bit, you want to be because of the top, that kind of thinking, not thinking. All sentient beings same. Particularly all human beings, we are same. We have to live together as a social animal. So, whether believe next life or not, this very life carried with more sincere, compassionate mind. So I myself, I practice daily altruism. At the time of dying, I meditate altruism. Very good. So there's warm-heartedness or altruism is the key factor. Okay. Now some people want some
transmission.
Oral transmission.
No.
I think most of you are Buddhist and Vietnamese, so we all are same lineage from Nalanda. So I want to give you a short ceremony. The Jerusalem 도발나야지. So now let us visualize Buddha in front of us. Then Nagarjuna Chandakirti, all these great masters, we are follower of them. So we should follow their example very sincerely. So now, take Bodhicitta vow. I myself daily, you see, recite a few words and think about Bodhicitta. So now, repeat after me. Kunsho sumlo dagyevchi. Tikpo tamcha sosorsha. Droya gyala cheye rang. Sanje changshu yiji song. Sanje chodo songzho la. Changshu pado dagyevchi. Rangshen tenne rabru chir. Changshu semne gyebraki. Changshu choge semne gyene. Semjan tamcha dagan drondo nyer. Changshu cho yung gyebraki. Drola pencha sanje robar show. The first one. Now second. Kunsho sumlo dagyevchi. Tikpo tamcha sosorsha. Droya gyala cheye rang. Sanje changshu yiji song. Sanje chodo songzho la. Changshu pado dagyevchi. Rangshen tenne rabru chir. Changshu semne gyebraki. Changshu choge semne gyene. Semjan tamcha dagan drondo nyer. Changshu cho yung gyebraki. Drola pencha sanje robar show. Now third time. Kunsho sumlo dagyevchi. Tikpo tamcha sosorsha. Droya gyala cheye rang. Sanje changshu yiji song. Sanje chodo songzho la. Changshu pado dagyevchi. Rangshen tenne rabru chir. Changshu semne gyebraki. This word very important. Even selfish reason, or you want some good thing for yourself, practice altruism. Helping other people, also you see, key thing is altruism. Rangshen tenne rabru chir. Changshu semne gyebraki. Once altruism, once we develop or try to develop, keep, and then all sentient being, actually your guest. You are determined to serve them, to help them. So all sentient being is actually your guest. So you should serve them. There is no point to say, this group my enemy, this group my friend. No, we all same human being, same sentient being. So now, I, practitioner of this altruism, daily. So you now received the vow from me. Now you also, you see, think daily about altruism. And particularly when people, usually you see, you get a little irritation. And such people, particularly you should think, oh, these are sentient beings. This lifetime, due to certain sort of small causes, you get some irritation. Otherwise, from the beginning of our life, no one is your enemy. All our friend. So now think daily altruism. Okay. 또 제주스면 또 봐. 리모스네.
장주 초 셈니.
가.
지금 타마디 마 제마소 랑신 되니 저 주셔. 되니 마.
어. Now the word which we reciting chanju shoga semne kekene semjan tamja dagan rondo nyers. Although today we develop real altruism, so all sentient being is my guest, and particularly human being on this planet, including those human beings who create some problem. There's a sufficient reason to feel more concern. Like in my own case, some Chinese who carry a lot of, the atrocity in Tibet. These are truly, you should feel more concern, not thinking enemy, but really give us opportunity to practice. So grateful. So Rangshen, Chanju Kasa.
장주 초.
Chanju Shoga Simne Gene, Semjan Tamja Dag and John Dunier. Chengchu Zhi Chou Yong Jaberji, Chanju Sembe Java. Number Tamjo Pemba Bashi, there was Chiva Indizan Yidong Java. Chengchu Zhi Chou Yong Jaberji, Drolla Panja, Sanjian Drover Show. Oh, yeah. That diggy, Chanju Sembe Tomasoya, the Rigi. Narashashana Yinda, Chanju Sembe Tomba Lingi. Oh, that the Rikanzo, Chanju Sembe Tomba Boyagi, or Kukudu Shumbari, and Kanazung Narengone, Gawa Sanguin, Kanazung Shashane, Gawa Sanguri. Oh, and Hudashia, and some future there. Oh, yeah. Kanazung Merengori, Samolo, Gawarmuchi, Chobu, Lutu was in Samachishua. Near Chobu. It's